On the farmer line.
F4M line.
Blood clot. I don't think me now get my KFC today. Chat, like up the live now. Me there I sweat for chicken.
Portmore, me get it. Share up the live. Drop some fire in the chat. Till next year, my gone. Respect. Me have to post this. KFC bust my belly today.
Wagwan viewers, how are you all doing? Hope you have had a blessed and productive day. I'm not here to make a long video, but I am just here because I am so excited. I'm so curious. I'm so asking questions, and this has to be studied. Yes, you know that yesterday KFC advertised that today they will celebrate their 50th anniversary in Jamaica. And in part of celebrating their 50th anniversary in Jamaica, they would be giving away free KFC today. And Jamaicans just love KFC, not to mention our children. Them love KFC gone to bed. Now, to the amount of crowd, I don't know if KFC was anticipating this amount of crowd all over the island of Jamaica. All of the KFC outlets that they have was crowded to capacity, and police and soldier had to be called in to contain the crowd, who was mostly boisterous and aggressive towards them one another. That means to say they want to start fight, them a push, them a quarrel, them a go on bad. You understand me? And people was sweating in the crowd. Viewers, we'll take an highlight as we go through all of this.
Sorry, Pops, you are there. Fuck up in there.
Nobody beg me none of my chicken, bro. What I do? Nobody beg me none.
We know about the price and the dipping. Yeah? We know about the toll and the picking. Where the pussy put the night chicken? Where do I put the night chicken?
Now viewers, this elderly lady was so excited to be the first to serve her free giveaway 2-piece meal deal chicken. This is what she have to say.
Make me feel good. Them say early bird catch the first worm. Listen? So that's what I did. Well, I take my grandson to school and then I say I come in to get this special today.
And what's special about KFC chicken?
Well, we love KFC chicken.
And how does it feel to be one of the few customers to get through at this location?
Well, I feel proud and feel good because I come out of the crowd and I'm not in the quarreling and the fighting. And my neighbor asked me to buy for them because them can't come. Yes.
Viewers, the Spanish Town branch of KFC see it fit to give the customers, before them coming at the store, a brief orientation of what them expect of them, telling them that their staff is working under stress today. So take a listen to what they have to say to the crowd in St. Catherine branch of KFC.
My team will be working under stress today. So, I am informing you that when you get to the cash register, you understand exactly what is taking place. And you know exactly what you want.
Crazy.
Yo, Kishan! Kishan!
Viewers, uno know say many people are go critique how the people them a behave over KFC free giveaway for their 50th anniversary, because police have to call in, the military have to be called in, security guards has to be there, the staff has to be working overtime, and the crowd, you know, people we not have the manners, we can't form a proper queue and wait patiently. So you are going to have people say all sort of things. So listen to some of the people who are critiquing people who is crowding the KFC and behaving boisterous. Take a listen to them.
I don't know, so me come find the most prosy people. They're prosy fuck. What? Yo.
Imagine risking heat stroke and your dignity for cold fries, oily chicken, and carbonated diabetes. When I tell you say KFC has Jamaicans in a chokehold, it's embarrassing. It's ridiculous. Because, by the way, KFC come up with a quality marketing strategy, because the cost for these meal deals are going to be tremendously absorbed. You still have to buy a big deal to get it. When you don't say they're still making a profit, it's crazy. So these free meal deals are not necessarily free. You still have to pay for the freeness. Me tell you, it's sad that companies can look at Jamaicans and know that 2-piece of free chicken can draw out people. Them not come out for nothing. Them not come out for protests. Them not come out for help. Nothing. But tell them say I give them 2-piece of free chicken where them have to pay for. It's sad.
So you really want to say Jamaican people camp out a KFC just for 2-piece of chicken? For 2 free piece of chicken? Or no really stand up in a line and a fight for go in a KFC just cause them say they won't give you 2 free piece of chicken? 2 free piece of chicken? The wickedest part is make them did say them a give away books. Or no never go.
From one security force member to another, and them nobody go skip a line at KFC. Do. Just give civilian them today. Please, may I beg you. Like, if them have trouble with we skip it on a regular day, imagine no where a double amount of people there. Just give them to them. Please, may I beg you. May I lead by example. See? BK. As much as more a piece of KFC now, me not go. Do. May I beg you.
And viewers, that rounds it up for me in highlighting how our Jamaicans behave today in receiving 2 pieces of fried chicken free from KFC. That is if they buy their big deal chicken.